Welcome to Kognitos. We're going to go through a very common process around reconciling information from multiple data sources, in this case, email and PDF, with information that is within a system of record. To do that, we're going to use a common use case where we've seen with a lot of customers where they're wanting to match purchase orders being sent in from sales reps to those actual opportunities. And then if it matches, submit it for approval. You can look here at the English written process that says simple things like I want you to find the opportunity name in the email, match it with the right one in Salesforce, get the amount from the PO to verify, and then at the bottom, if it matches, attach it to the opportunity, submit it for approval. Here in Salesforce, you'll see we have an amount we need to verify. We should, after it processes, see that document attached here. If it matches, submit it to close one, submit it for approval. This process was kicked off using an email where the rep simply had to write, hey, we won the Gene Point opportunity, and we have a very standard purchase order here from where we're extracting this information. We'll go into a process that was kicked off when that email was received. You'll notice that Kognitos was able to read the email itself, pull out the subject line, the date, different information that may be useful. It's also pulled out Gene Point, which is that opportunity name, but we hit a problem. That problem is actually, if we look in Salesforce here, Gene Point actually has a lot of different opportunities. So this is a problem where it doesn't have enough information. The rep in this case should have said Gene Point ELA, the opportunity that we wanted, but instead he just said Gene Point. So we're going through Kognitos' conversational exception handling comes into play, where you'll notice here, nowhere did we have to say, if there are multiple matches, then do this. So we didn't have to think through that problem up front. Instead, using generative AI, Kognitos understands the problem. It created a sentence for the business user to be able to understand and respond to, and actually created options for us where it's essentially saying, hey, pick one of these so I can move forward. So we'll pick that opportunity and it will continue to process throughout. With Kognitos, everything is auditable in English. So anytime you're using generative AI or you're using OCR, it's all here within what we call facts so that you can verify it and it's not a black box, which is a problem with generative AI by itself. We've gone through step by step. So now if we go back into Salesforce, refresh the page, we should find each of those actions have been taken. Sure enough, move to close one, that PO has been uploaded, and we have a new approval that has been submitted.